Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Corporate results are out, and companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reported a mixed bag of financial results for their most recent quarter. Caribbean Cement Company Limited for the 6 months ending June 30, 2025 reports a 41% decline in 6 months net profit. JetCon Corporation generated net profit of $33.1 million and revenues of $227 million for the second quarter of this year. Jamaican Teas recorded a net profit of $120.1 million on a 16% spike in revenues to $894 million during the 9-month period ending June 30. Kaluk Richard, Vice President of the General Insurance Association of Jamaica, says the sector is struggling to attract new talent, while stressing that most of the professionals currently work in the field and did not pursue formal insurance studies. Richard pointed out that the College of Insurance and Professional Studies offers structured training programs to help bridge the skills gap, with a 6-month training program as a viable entry point. However, statistics show that few young people are taking up this offer, although it is normally subsidized by the employer. For the trading period ending July 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Investment company Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 11,251,569 units traded, representing 14.63% of market sales volume. Coffee distributor Salada Foods Jamaica Limited with 6,365,202 units traded, representing 8.28% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,495,400 units traded, representing 7.14% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 30, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $79.20 million purchased and US $90.63 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.67 per dollar, selling the US at $161.32 and buying the US at $159.65. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $1.92 per transaction, with selling at $116.39 and buying at $114.47. The British pound yielded forex traders $6.79 in profit, with selling at $217.88 and buying at $211.09. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're ready to stop avoiding your credit report and rebuilding your financial life, this is your moment. Mental health challenges may have paused your progress, but they don't have to define your future. Whether you've been dealing with depression, trauma, or burnout, regaining control of your credit is one of the most powerful steps you can take towards stability and peace of mind. You don't have to do it perfectly, you just have to begin with one bold action. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from recovery to financial resilience, if you want to shift from just surviving financially to thriving, your pitch is your power. For professional women over 45, mastering the art of pitching isn't about fancy jargon. It's about clearly communicating your worth and what you need to move forward. Whether it's funding, partnerships, or new opportunities, sharpening your pitch skills is the key step to unlocking the support that turns recovery into resilience. Let's make your voice impossible to ignore. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.